Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hey there, welcome back to our kitchen. We are whipping up some new recipes right now.
I know. Can you believe it?
Can you believe it? It's been a while.
It's been a little bit.
You know, I was trying to think when was our first video?
Do you really want to know?
You know?
He's
so good. He remembers like all the dates.
Our first, well, it should be easy. It was like right after our wedding. It was like literally we started this baking channel like in 2016 in December.
Oh my God.
It was pajama sugar cookies. That was the first video we ever did.
I remember all of that.
It was in our old kitchen, yeah.
Wow.
It was great.
Pajama sugar cookies?
Yeah, because we made them for the kids had
the Polar Express.
A Polar Express thing at school. So I made these pajama sugar cookies. And
are you going to edit in like a...
I will. Yeah, I totally can if you want me to.
I don't know. Hi.
Hi, guys.
Hello. I'm Angela.
I'm Josh, and this is the first video of Baking with Josh.
Oh my God.
It was a long time ago, but that's what started it all. That was the first video.
That was our first video.
I was so nervous.
First video, baby.
I feel like I was so
are.
boring. I know.
No, you're great.
Here,
great. And to celebrate our new cookbook coming out.
You can make this.
You can make this.
What a great name, right?
Such a great name.
Thank you.
You say it to us all the time.
Yeah, I do. Because actually, I believe that anyone can do these recipes that are especially in the book. There's some of our family favorite recipes that we use.
And what are we making today?
Okay, so today we're making baked blueberry oatmeal.
But I had questions about the oatmeal because you know how oatmeal can get squishy?
Not the baked oatmeal. The baked oatmeal is different. Okay, so it's kind of a consistency between like a French toast and like a muffin. So it has that kind of like denseness to it, which makes it. I think you're gonna like it.
You had me at muffin, babe.
All right, guys, let's get started.
Let's get started.
All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to grease an 8x8 baking dish. Grease it up. So the next step is we're going to mix the dry ingredients together. Of course, with the baked blueberry oatmeal, you're going to need oatmeal. So
makes sense.
2 cups of oats.
Love it.
Put those in. Next, we're going to add the toasted pecans, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. The baking powder, we're just going to add 1 teaspoon. Just a little bit of salt. Sprinkle that in. Do you want to stir it up?
I would like to stir.
I mean, just
this one? No.
Yep, that's
this one.
No, that's the whisk.
Okay. I know what a whisk is. See, you can make this because if I can make it, you can make it.
I mean, so far it's been pretty simple.
Pretty smooth sailing.
Yeah. So now we're gonna do the wet ingredients. 1 3/4 cup milk. All right, and just go ahead and pour that in the bowl. We add a little bit of sweetness. So we're gonna add the maple syrup, and that gives this baked blueberry oatmeal just a little bit of sweetness. So next we're gonna do the eggs. Do you want to break them or?
No, you should.
You've had so much practice over the years.
I know, but you've seen me break an egg. See how Josh did it? Now I'll do one.
Okay.
Ready? Okay.
It's all good. There you go. Hey, you know what? No shell.
No shell!
I feel like that's a win. We're gonna add the melted butter. You just wanna make sure that you cool it a little bit. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. All right, go ahead and whisk that. And now we're gonna add the blueberries. You wanna pour most of the blueberries in the bottom of the baking dish.
Okay, is that enough?
Oh, that's perfect. Put the dry ingredients on top, and then we're gonna pour the wet ingredients all over. Mix that up.
I am a pro.
Now we're gonna add the rest of the blueberries on top. Just kind of sprinkle them over the top.
Sorry, I ate so many.
That's okay. This is completely optional. We have this coarse sugar, and if you put the coarse sugar on top, it gives it a little bit of a crunch. It kind of tastes like that blueberry muffin texture. Yeah. Now we're gonna pop this in the oven. We
preheated the oven to 350.
350, and this goes in for about 40 to 45 minutes.
40 minutes, we'll check it for crispy edges.
Yeah.
You heard it here. All right, this is cooked to your crusty edge perfection.
Yep,
should we show everyone?
I think we should.
All right.
All right, yum. Look at that. Looks so delicious,
good.
Right?
Yeah.
Do you want one of the edge pieces?
Yes.
Kind of crispy?
I like the crispy edges.
All right, I'm gonna scoop mine out and we'll do a taste test.
Do I have to wait for you?
Yes, wait for me.
Okay.
All right, let's try it.
Here we go. That's so good.
It's really good.
It's healthy, it's easy to make.
Yep.
You can make this.
You can make this. You can definitely make this.
You can get this recipe on our website, bakingwithjoshandange.com. We'll also put it here in our Instagram.
That's right. And you can also pre-order our new cookbook.
Yes.
You can make this.
You can make this. It's our new cookbook.
Well, I guess it's our only cookbook so far.
Our only cookbook.
It's not necessarily, it is new.
It's new.
But it's also the only one.
Yeah.
So far. But you should definitely get it.
Yeah, because it's great and you're going to love it. And our moms are really excited about it. So if you pre-order, we'll be so happy.
Oh, thank you guys so much.
Thanks.
And we'll be doing some more videos in the future. So look out for those. And thanks for watching.
Goodbye. This is his second attempt at backing up to whatever he's trying to do. I'm going to be like, I'm judging you.
It's been a minute. Is that what the kids say? It's been a minute?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think that's what the kids say.
I'm pretty sure.
You're very hip. You are
I'm
hip.
not very hip. Wait for it. Hey.
I don't think you had glasses in the first video.
How dare you? How dare you? And I read this thing that if you freeze them, it like makes them healthier. I don't.
Is that true? I don't know.
I don't know.
True.
Don't quote me on it. Whatever. And you can just join us while we make stuff.
That's right.
That was smooth. That wasn't clunky at all.
Stop eating the blueberries.